If you need to reset your password on Zeta 2026, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Zeta 2026 login page. Go to the official Zeta 2026 website and locate the login page. This is where you will find the option to reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will direct you to the password recovery section. Step 3. Enter your email address. In the password recovery section, input the email address associated with your Zeta 2026 account. Make sure it is the correct email to ensure you receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and click on the provided link to reset your password. Follow the prompts to create a new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Zeta 2026 account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.